Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some ways to fix error code CE-30035-1 on PlayStation 4. Method 1. Sign out and sign in back. From the main dashboard of your PS4 console, access the setting menu. Once you're inside the settings menu, access the account management. Next, select sign out. After you confirm the operation, sign back in at the login screen that just appeared and see if the problem is now fixed. Method 2. Make sure just one account's on your PS4. Go to Settings. Select Login Settings. Select User Management. Select Delete User. Now, if there are more than one account, then delete all them and leave only the main account that you are using. Method 3. Activate or reactivate console as primary. From the main dashboard of your PS4, access the settings. Once you're inside the settings menu, go ahead and access the account management menu. Once you're inside the account management menu, access the Activate as your primary PS4 menu, then choose Activate at the confirmation prompt to initiate the procedure. In case your console is already set up as your primary PS4, deactivate it, then restart your PS4 and return to this menu to activate it once again. After this operation is complete, restart your PS4 and see if the problem is resolved once the next startup is complete. Method 4. Restoring license. Just go to Settings. Select Account Management. Select Restore License. Restoring your licenses may take several seconds to minutes, depending on the number of licenses you have and your internet connection. Method 5. Clear system cache. To do that, you need turn off the PS4. After that, unplug the power cable from the power source, and disconnect any peripheral attached to your console, such as a controller, headset, hard drive, etc. Wait for about 5 minutes before connecting it again to power and restart the console. Method 6. Disconnect the external hard drive. If you have an external hard drive, then disconnect it, turn on the PS4 and the game should let you install it then. Then plug the drive back in and it'll ask to delete the game from the system or the drive. Delete it from the external storage. If it gets stuck on the please wait screen, just restart the PS and you should be good to go. Method 6. Rebuild the PS4 database. Firstly, turn off the PS4 completely. After that, press and hold the power button. Release it after you've heard 2 beeps, one when you initially press, and another about 7 seconds later. This will boot the PS4 into safe mode. Connect a DualShock 4 controller with a USB cable and press the PS button on the controller. Select the option Rebuild Database. It will warn you that it may take hours. Most of the time, this solution resolves the problem. That's it guys. Hope these methods help you. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any other possible methods.